Amazon Black Friday deals have officially started and the discounts are massive. We've searched and found 30 of the best deals you can grab right now, but they won't last forever, so don't wait too long. Let's jump right in. Our first deal features the PlayStation 5 console, now 18% off and priced at $450, down from the original $550. This powerhouse includes a 1TB SSD, a DualSense wireless controller, a built-in disk drive, Astro's Playroom pre-installed, and everything you need to jump straight into next-gen gaming with stunning speed, realism, and performance. Our second deal features this electric pressure washer, now 51% off and priced at $144, down from the original $295. With 2,030 pounds per square inch of cleaning power, 5 quick connect spray tips, a built-in soap applicator, and a durable stainless steel and brass construction, it's perfect for blasting dirt off cars, patios, driveways, decks, and more with ease. Our third deal features the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro, now 39% off and priced at $460, down from the original $760. These smart RGB WIC lights offer 16 million colors with 75 preset scenes, adjustable warm and cool whites, and a cuttable and extendable design that lets you customize and decorate your home year-round with stunning lighting effects. Our fourth deal features this Cridu Toddler Balance Bike, now 45% off and priced at $50, down from the original $91. Designed for kids ages 2 to 5, it offers a sturdy carbon steel frame, a soft PU seat, rubber handle grips, and a customizable front plate, making it a fun and safe way for little riders to build balance and confidence. Our fifth deal features the PlayStation DualSense wireless controller, now 27% off and priced at $55, down from the original $75. With immersive haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, a built-in microphone, and a comfortable design with enhanced sticks and speaker audio, it elevates every gaming session with more precision, control, and realism. Our sixth deal features the Barbie Dreamhouse Dollhouse, now 44% off and priced at $135, down from the original $243. Standing over 3.5 feet tall with 10 play areas, a working elevator, customizable layouts, a slide with pool, sound effects, lights, and over 75 accessories, it turns imagination into endless storytelling fun. Our seventh deal features the Nordic Track T-Series treadmill, now 25% off and priced at $449, down from the original $599. With speeds up to 10 miles per hour, a 10% incline range, a cushioned running deck, and a clear LCD display with device shelf for guided iFight workouts, it's a great way to level up cardio, endurance, and home fitness comfort. Our eighth deal features Energizer AA alkaline power batteries, now 33% off and priced at $16, down from the original $24. These long-lasting batteries are perfect for everyday devices, emergency kits, and household use, and they can hold power and storage for up to 10 years, giving you reliable energy when you need it most. Our ninth deal features the Segway 9Bot e-kick scooter, now 18% off and priced at $230, down from the typical $280. With speeds up to 12.4 miles per hour, 3 riding modes, an adjustable handlebar, Bluetooth speaker, and kick to start safety, it delivers a fun, smooth, and customizable ride for young riders ready for electric adventure. Our 10th deal features the PlayStation VR 2 Horizon Call of the Mountain, now 25% off and priced at $299, down from the original $400. Featuring 4K HDR visuals, a 110-degree field of view, advanced graphical rendering, and immersive sense technology with eye tracking, haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and 3D audio, it brings gaming worlds to life like never before. Our 11th deal features the Shox Open Run Pro 2, now 31% off and priced at $125, down from the original $180. With 12 hours of 3D audio, dual bone and air conduction drivers, and an open ear design for safety and awareness, these headphones deliver immersive sound while keeping you connected to your surroundings. Our 12th deal features the Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop, now 23% off and priced at $2,300, down from the original $3,000. With NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics, an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, customizable Alien FX lighting, and advanced cooling for marathon gaming sessions, it delivers top-tier performance for gaming, streaming, and creative work. Our 13th deal features the Tanico Floor 1S5, now 49% off and priced at $229, down from the original $450. This smart vacuum and mop combo automatically adjusts suction and water flow, cleans edges and corners streak-free, and features a larger water tank, self-cleaning brush, and convenient docking station for effortless maintenance. Our 14th deal features the Hexclad Hybrid Nonstick 12-inch pan, now 25% off and priced at $149, down from the original $199. With hybrid stainless steel and ceramic nonstick surfaces, tri-ply construction for even heating, and compatibility with all stovetops and ovens up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for frying, sautéing, and one-pot family meals. Our 15th deal features the Macamaster 10-cup coffee maker, now 35% off and priced at $240, down from the original $369. With precise temperature control, a brew volume selector for half or full carafes, and a fast one-switch operation that brews 40 ounces of coffee in 4 to 6 minutes, it delivers perfect coffee effortlessly every time. Our 16th deal features the Ecovacs Dbot X11, now 40% off and priced at $900, down from the original $1,500. With powerful 19,500 Pascal suction, self-washing roller mops, bagless auto-emptying, and smart Yeco agent technology, it delivers hands-free deep cleaning for large homes with precision along walls and corners. Our 17th deal features the Philips Sonicare rechargeable electric toothbrush, now 45% off and priced at $60, down from the original $110. With smart brushing pressure alerts, customizable cleaning modes, brush sync reminders, a 2-minute timer, and up to 2 weeks of battery life, it ensures a thorough, convenient, and stylish oral care routine. Our 18th deal features the Epson EcoTank ET2800, now 25% off, and priced at $179, down from the original $240. With cartridge-free printing, high-speed output up to 10 pages per minute, vivid color quality, and enough ink for years of stress-free use, it's perfect for saving time and money on everyday printing. Our 19th deal features the SharkFlex style air styling and drying system, now 38% off and priced at $250, down from the original $400. This versatile tool dries, curls, smooths, and volumizes with fast regulated heat to prevent damage, and its lightweight multi-styler design works for all hair types with salon quality results at home. Our 20th deal features the Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th generation, now 18% off and priced at $229, down from the original $280. With smart energy-saving features, broad compatibility with most heating and cooling systems, and easy control via the Google Home app or voice assistants, it keeps your home comfortable while simplifying smart home integration. Our 21st deal features the Philips Sonicare 4100 rechargeable toothbrush, now 40% off and priced at $30, down from the original $50. Clinically proven to remove up to 7 times more plaque than a manual brush, it features gentle bristles, a pressure sensor to protect gums, and delivers a smart, effective clean every time. Our 22nd deal features the Theragun Percussion Massage Gun, now 31% off and priced at $110, down from the original $160. Lightweight and easy to use, it delivers gentle percussive therapy with 3 specialized attachments to target tension, stiffness, and sore muscles for fast, effective relief. Our 23rd deal features the Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer, now 23% off and priced at $399, down from the original $519. With a 6.5 quart BPA free bowl, dual beaters for triple whipping action, powerful belt-driven torque, and a wide range of optional attachments, it handles everything from whipping and mashing to kneading and mixing with ease. Our 24th deal features the Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, now 28% off and priced at $64, down from the original $89. Compact and rechargeable, it inflates car, bike, and sports tires up to 120 PSI with precision, features auto shutoff, multiple pressure units, a digital display, built-in LED light, and comes with versatile attachments for all your inflation needs. Our 25th deal features the FlashForge Adventurer 5M 3D printer, now 26% off and priced at $229, down from the original $309. With automatic bed leveling, ultra-fast Core XY printing, quick nozzle changes, and dual fan nozzles for superior print quality, it makes high-speed, precise 3D printing simple and efficient with remote monitoring via the Flashmaker app. Our 26th deal features this electric dirt bike, now 16% off and priced at $1,173, down from the original $1,400. With a 2,000-watt brushless motor, long-lasting 48-volt battery, 3 safe-speed modes, and advanced suspension with hydraulic brakes, it delivers thrilling acceleration, extended range, and a smooth, safe ride over all terrains. Our 27th deal features the Alienware 34 curved gaming monitor, now 33% off and priced at $270, down from the original $400. With a 34-inch ultra-wide 1500R curved panel, WQHD resolution, 180Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and vivid DCI-P 3-color coverage, it delivers immersive fluid visuals for marathon gaming sessions. Our 28th deal features the Swissgear Scion Softside Expandable Luggage, now 38% off and priced at $80, down from the original $130. This durable, scuff-resistant carry-on offers expandable storage, 360-degree spinner wheels, multiple handles, and organized interiors, making it perfect for 1 to 3 day trips with Swiss-engineered reliability and a 10-year warranty. Our 29th deal features the DJI Mic Mini, now 53% off and priced at $79, down from the original $169. This ultralight lavalier mic delivers clear, detail-rich audio with up to 400-meter range, 48-hour battery life, 2 noise cancellation modes, and seamless integration with DJI devices, perfect for interviews, live streaming, and content creation. Our 30th deal features the DJI Mini 4K drone, now 20% off and priced at $239, down from the original $299. Weighing under 249 grams, it offers 4K Ultra HD video with a 3-axis gimbal, stable flight in level 5 winds, extended battery options up to 93 minutes, and beginner-friendly features like one-tap takeoff, GPS return to home, and intelligent quick shots for cinematic footage. So that's a wrap on today's 30 hidden early Black Friday deals on Amazon. If there's any product you think we missed, drop a comment and we'll include it in the next part. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone.